Hi guys! Good morning guys! Today gagawa ako ng steamed fish. Tanguige steamed fish. Yung pagkain ng so dito guys, steamed fish. So ngayon. I'm using 4 tomatoes. And I've got my lemongrass. I'm using also 1 calamansi. And I'm using 1 spring onions. And 1 brown onions. My fish is tanguige. So, ang ginawa ko talaga guys, this is it. Yung fish ko guys, hinugasan ko guys. At lagyan ko ng 1 calamansi siya guys. Yun yung basic na ginagawa ko guys pag magluluto. A little bit of oil guys para finally now this is the steamed fish with lots and lots of vegetables, spices, okay? So now I am going to cover this guys and I am going to steam. So, guys, ito, ipapakita ko sa inyo dito ko siya nilagay, guys. So, steam ito, guys. Fish soup. Okay? I'm just going to put my fish. That's it. To dry up.
Magiging, yun. Hindi ako nagalagay ng oil guys ha. Walang oil dito. Tapos, lagay ko yung mga sangkap. Lemongrass, tomatoes, ginger, yun. Saka yung brown onion natin. So, pag wala na siyang tubig guys, yung tubig ng isda. So, para maiwasan yung lansa guys, kasi ayoko naman malansa. So, ito, maglagay ako ng water. Hot water lang guys. So, I'll just show you guys how I do my fish soup.
So, ilagay ko na yung chili ko, guys, ha. Ouch. Takasan ko. Okay, nagugutom na talaga ako, guys. Maglagay ko ng kunting asin. Sprinkling of salt plus pepper. Steam ko guys yung fish ng asawa ko. Ito parang ano na ito yung pumpkin ko. Ano talaga guys. Double purpose yung ginawa ko guys. Oh. Pumpkin yan at saka potatoes. Kasi yung asawa ko wow. Sarap talaga. Yun na lang ang ito na talaga. Ito na yung ating steamed fish. Ito na guys. Ito na. Steamed fish. So ito na guys. Ito na yun. Ito yung rice. See, rice. My water. My moringa leaves with fish. This is fish soup with, daming kamatis dyan, guys. Tapos, guys, ang asawa ko tapos ng kumain. This is my sushi, guys. Fish sushi. Sushi. Nilagyan ko yung guys ng mayonnaise. Yung ito guys, yung sushi ko guys, nilagyan ko ng mayonnaise, like cucumber and tomatoes, lemon, calamansi, tomatoes, red and green. Yung hindi pa hinog na kamatis, guys. So, ito na, guys. May Sprite, guys, at saka chili. At saka maglagay ako ng asin, guys. Hindi ko pala. At saka lagyan ko ng pepper. So, ito na, guys. Rice, sushi, or kinilang isda. Or ang tinolang isda. So, this is a wonderful mukbang. So, ito na. Umpisahan na ang ating. So, wow. Kinuha ko yung steamed fish ng asawa ko, guys. Sarap. Isda Tanguige, guys, yung tinula ko. May Sprite siya para manamis-namis kasi yung suka niya, guys, napaka-asim. Yung white vinegar na ginagamit ko napaka-asim. So yun. Kaya kain na tayo. Wow. Sarap. Parang very crunchy yung cucumber. Tomato, guys. Sarap. Mainit ang sobrang mainit ang rice ko, guys. Rice is life. Fish. It sounds like I have so many people around because I am talking by myself. Mate, can I have Sprite?
Yep.
I don't like to drink water because I'm eating sushi. Oh, thank you. Very fresh yung sushi natin, guys. Sushi, but there is a worm.
Bit old.
The fish no is fresh, no?
Hi.
What? How do you find the fish? It's fresh, right? That's good. Chili, guys. Ah! Alam nga eh. Very hot. Kain lang ako. Bakit kinain ng chili? Ah. Grabe, sobrang mahalang. I eat one chili.
Yeah.
Ah. Mama, I need milk.
Jesus Christ.
It's a funny afternoon. Oh, Lord. Wait, please. Put over bago, baby. Oh, thank you, Lord. Jesus Christ. I said, munch, and then, bad cheetah. Whew. Look at all. Pero, buto.